Thanks, Daniel. American 100-meter world champion Coleman has signaled his frustration with the global drug testing system. The 2018 world champion on Tuesday used his Twitter page to post a whereabouts failure document, the second time in under a year that he's found himself in trouble.
9 months after the U.S. anti-doping agency dropped its case for a mistest owing to a technicality, clearing the way for Coleman to win gold in the 100 meters in Doha in 9.76 seconds, the American has come out swinging at the Athletics Integrity Unit AIU. In a tweet Tuesday afternoon, the American sprinter tagged the AIU saying, quote, "You all know this is wrong. Something needs to change." In what seemed like a letter to his fans, followers, supporters and fellow athletes, Coleman revealed that the AIU came to a decision that he had been appealing for 6 months, that he missed the test on December 9 last year. He said that test served as a third